to my channel. So in today's video, I will be taking you along with me as I go thrift and fabric shopping. The thrift stores weren't great, but that's fine because I got myself this peppermint mocha instead, and then headed over to the fabric store. This fabric store primarily sells dead stock fabric, so everything's quite a bit cheaper and the stock changes quite frequently. Today they had a bunch of Christmas fabrics in. I was looking especially for sparkly fabrics for Christmas, but couldn't find any that I liked enough. Once I found all the fabric I wanted, it was time to move over to the sewing notions. And I found this vintage skating pattern, but I think I already have this one at home. Before I left, I had to stop over at the free table, and I found this fabric, which you'll see later in the haul, and they had these vintage embroidered pieces. Once I left to go home, there was the most gorgeous sunset outside. I just got back from my trip to the fabric store and everything was so good there today. So I've got a big haul for you. So in total, this cost me $6.50. They also have like a big free table outside, and usually I go there and it's like weird upholstery fabrics and like there's just small little bits that are like kind of ripped up or like mismatched buttons. But today the tables were amazing. There were these two pieces that had really cool embroidery on it, but one of them was a jacket and it was kind of small looking, so I didn't get it. But this one, the lady beside me was like, you need to take that. You'll never find embroidery like that. Anyways, so here it is, this first one. It's this skirt. I thought when I first picked it up that it was ripped, but it does not look like it actually. But like, look how nice this is. And then the back. And they're like gardening and stuff. There's a palm tree. Hopefully the skirt would fit me. I should try it on. If not, I have no clue what to do with it. Oh, and then this. I saw this girl on TikTok make these really cool pants out of like linens and stuff that she thrifted. So this was also on the free table, so I had to pick it up. It's kind of funny. It's this girl in the shower. It says, right number, wrong time. And then I found this. I just love this kind of pattern. I wanted a fabric like this so bad, and it was free. So for the stuff I actually paid for, I ended up getting everything in the sale section, which is all 50% off. There was this top that I really wanted to make on Pinterest that was like this. It's this like cotton knit. So it's like that. I'll attach a photo of the top I want to make here. But I have a bunch of like bits of lace and stuff. And then the last thing I bought, this fleece. Hopefully it's enough to like make a sweatshirt, or like, yeah, I think I want to make a sweatshirt for myself. There were two of these pieces, so I bought them both, but it's this like farming print. I've been looking everywhere for like vintage blankets and stuff to turn into a sweatshirt because I always see people doing that and it's so cute. So this is like the perfect alternative. And it's so soft too. Anyways, that's the haul. All of this for under $7.